Atay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to follow your book? Let's go! Okay, song number 1. Sige lang. Close your eyes first. Close your eyes. Okay. Parang ako yung Okay, number 1, reveal your gift now.